So what's up guys?
Hello,
Welcome back to
guys.
Andrea Judge TV.
Ito na naman tayo sa ating episode ng ating American Dream Journey for Nurses.
Yes.
And una sa lahat guys, we would like to thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood ng ating previous episode
Thank you guys.
with Nurse Furby.
Mhm.
And ngayon, umpisa na natin ang ating
Part 2.
2. Yes, episode 7
Yep.
with Nurse Furby. So, on this episode, share ni Furby sa atin yung kanyang ginagawa as a
Mama Coach.
Yun.
Let's go.
very interesting yung ginagawa niya sa Mama Coach.
Mhm.
So, ayun.
Ano pa hinatay natin?
Yes, panoorin nyo guys.
Let's go.
Hey.
Alam ko meron nakwento ni Andrea, meron ka pang isang like ginagawa talaga like
Oo.
outside of nursing.
Yun na
Yeah,
yung
so pwede mo i-share yun.
exciting.
Na, kasi gusto lang din namin i-open up yun kasi
Yeah.
ang dami nag-iisip pag nursing, matatali ka na sa pag-nurse, sa hospital. Yung mga napapanood ko na video na parang yung parang natotoxic sila na parang wala ka ng life after nursing, na parang ito lang yung kaya mong gawin kasi pagod ka sa floor, pagod ka sa pag-over. So tulad namin, naisipan namin mag-vlog. So gusto namin ipakita na di nurse kami pero hindi namin like yung negative thinking na pag nag-nurse ka is nakakatakot kasi wala ka ng lifestyle, wala ka ng ibang pwedeng gawin.
Oo.
So, ayan, isang example si Furby kasi outside of nursing, may isa pa din siyang ginagawa.
Mhm.
Yan. Pwede mo ba
Very interesting yan.
kwento sa amin?
Yes, Furby.
So, aside from bedside nursing, I do a nurse coaching, which is very, very new here in the US. It's a different side of nursing. So I am part of a brand named the Mama Coach. The Mama
Oh.
Coach is actually a group of registered nurses. Started in Canada and then now in the US and Australia and New Zealand.
Oh, wow. Malaki din.
So,
Oh.
So we're a group of probably 150 registered nurses, which is what's good is you can have your own practice as a registered nurse. So we share a brand and then we support parents from pregnancy hanggang postpartum and CPR, potty training. So, what's good in nurse coaching is if you think na sawa ka na nga, like what you said,
Yeah.
sawa ka na sa
Bedside. Yeah.
bedside nursing is, and you have that passion to help someone, help people, you can still do nursing, but then in a different
Wait.
form of
Yeah.
nursing. So it started. I am actually the only Mama Coach here in Michigan. I started 2022, I would say. So it happened because when I had my first son in 2017, as a first-time parent, napaka-overwhelming, right? Like,
Yes.
I feel like being a parent, not just like a mom,
Yeah.
it's like a job na parang expected for you to show up and know what you're doing. But then at the same time, you've never been parents before.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yung bigat na intindihan kita.
Yeah. And now you have the whole, like you have a baby from the hospital now that you are in charge of. So what really happened is, since it's just me and my husband in here, we have to make work out of it, right? So I research about feeding, breastfeeding, bottle feeding, sleep training, CPR workshop. And then when Levi was, I think, 6 months old, kung nasan yung hospital na nag-deliver kami, they have this group na same birthdays, iko-contact ng hospital if you are interested to join like a group. Like para kayo yung
Right.
village nyo,
Yeah.
ganyan. So we did it for a couple of months hanggang I think mga 1 year old na yung mga babies. So in that group, we talk about a lot of stuff like safety, breastfeeding, CPR. So we meet every week yung mga parents ng mga
Yeah.
babies. So that really inspired me. It's like, oh, this is so nice. Like I hope sa Pilipinas may ganito din, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Support
So,
talaga.
That where it sparked. Like, okay, so I like this one.
Yeah,
I like this job. And then that time, since nga first time parent ako, di ba? I wanna be like a sleep consultant. I want to be a lactation consultant. I want to be a doula. So doula now is also a different I don't know kung may doula sa Pilipinas actually. Dito there's like birth doula, there's postpartum doula. So it's like a support person ng buntis na will help you, right?
Wow.
So I want to be all of those things.
Yeah, compassion mo naman yun eh. Yeah.
I really have this passion to help parents. But then that time I was like, okay, well, it's just you and your husband. Like you cannot give what you don't have to other people because I don't have my own village. I don't have family and friends. So it's like, okay, let me just stick to what I know, nursing, nursing. So that's what I did. And then I had my second son, 2021. So sleep deprived ka ulit after ng newborn days. And then figuring out breastfeeding. Because even if you are a second time or seasoned parent, I know you will agree to this. Every baby is different.
Sure. Yeah, totoo.
Right? So it's like you're a first-time parent again to a different baby.
Yeah.
Right? So that's what I felt on the second baby. And he was 6 or 7 months old. And I have this passion again. It came out again. And I was like, okay, so I want to be... I cannot. I tried.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko that time, I was like, okay, so maybe this is really something I
This
can
is it. Yeah.
explore. Right? So, I was looking for like sleep consultant here, you need to be a certified sleep consultant. You don't have to be a registered nurse in here to be a sleep consultant. So, sa mga hindi siguro aware sa Pilipinas ng sleep consultant is like, there are the professional ones that help parents kapag iyak ng iyak yung baby, hindi nila alam paano patulugin, like,
ganun lang.
right? So that was the one na gusto ko. And then sabi ko, okay, so paano kaya kung lactation consultant? So lactation consultant naman is mga breastfeeding or bottle feeding expert. O gusto ko din yan, sabi ko.
So, marami din palang branches ng...
Madami talaga akong gusto. Then nakita ko yung pinaka-founder namin, si Carrie, taga-Alberta siya. She started this brand on her own. And then now she wanted to share the brand and help other registered nurses who wants to help other parents.
Yeah.
And then I talked to my husband about it because sabi ko, so do you think we can do this? Because this is a different side of nursing because you have your own practice, but also at the same time, this is a business. So, as a nurse, I don't have a business mindset. I just want to help.
Totoo. Yeah.
Right? I just want to help. So I don't know the business side of this one. And then we talked about he's very supportive. Like if you really want this one, and if my vision in here is to eventually go out of bedside nursing and then continue this full time. Because this is really my passion. So yun yung nasa isip ko. And then so for you to join the Mama Coach, you have interview to do several interviews, and then may mga training dates na gagawin, and then kung ilang clients yung kailangan mong gawin, and para ma-practice mo yung
Para-
skills mo.
Oo.
Yeah, so I've been doing it since 2022. I'm turning 2 years
Wow.
this July. And what I'm so happy I started it because nakakatakot naman talagang mag-start
Yeah.
ng bagong
Ang bago.
Oo.
na
Totoo.
hindi natin alam, di ba? And it is an investment too.
Yeah.
So, it's a nice side of nursing na bago dito sa US, and
Yeah.
it's not only about there's also an other nurse coaching na about wellness, about health.
Oh,
So it's
yeah.
different side of nursing talaga na they say it is evolving, nursing is evolving.
Evolving.
every day.
Totoo. Yeah.
Ang daming
So,
opportunity for nurses, especially yung mga ganito education.
yeah. So, nakakatuwa kasi this is like a new information. Lalo na kung may mga nanonood na nurses na or RN dito sa US, and they have the same passion like you. So baka pwede nilang i-search yan.
Kasi yung ginagawa mo kasi yun nga, ikaw yung nag-iisang coach sa Michigan. So madami ito Ferds, ko na ano yung challenges mo nung una, nung 2022? Or all the way since meron kayong parang trainer, di ba? Tinulungan kayo all the way na magkaroon ng parang mga mommies, parents na tuturuan mo, yung ganun?
Yeah. So, ikaw din talaga ang maghahanap nung mga first clients mo. Pwedeng mong gawin family and friends.
Family and friends, okay.
To just start and practice the skills that you have. And then eventually, before pag graduate ka na sa program, you will have to really register the business. So I have to register the business. I did it I researched what is LLC. So I did that. Then opened my business bank account. So ano talaga siya? Legit talaga siya. You have your own practice as a nurse, which is evolved talaga. Kasi, ang practice kasi parang akala mo, doctor, you have your own practice as a doctor, right? Now, nurses.
Ng nurse, meron na.
Yeah, ang dami na nag-evolve na talaga eh. Kasi dati is yung mga talagang sinaunang mga nurses before, the only nursing is med surg, floor, bedside, that's it.
Hospital.
Pero kung napanood mo yung interview nung kay Libay, di ba, nag-psychiatric, siya. Meron mga correctional nurses, so nagpo-branch out na talaga. And then ito nga yung focusing on sa mga babies and mothers na education. Yeah, nursing is health teaching all the time eh. So pwede mo siyang i-pursue kahit ano yung pwede mong
Sobrang ang galing no. So for share mo naman sa mga syempre mga mommies and parents dyan on how they can reach you din, 'di ba? So yung mga gusto, do you offer din ba yung mga online classes or parang may mga virtual ganun ba?
Yeah. So, I have my own website. It's www.fervyjimenez@themamacoach.com. And then my Instagram and Facebook is Fervy the Mama Coach. And we offer services nga from pregnancy, so prenatal education, postpartum education. I have newborn classes in person and virtual too. So, newborn feeding, even if we do prenatal breastfeeding kasi sometimes ang mahirap kasing nangyayari is you try to learn new skills like breastfeeding, right? But then how will you learn kung sleep deprived ka na at pagod na pagod?
Totoo.
Right? So it's nice to prepare. It's nice to prepare kasi ang pregnancy naman 9 months. So you have the whole time to prepare sa breastfeeding or bottle feeding, whatever you chose. Kasi in Mama Coach, we really try. We don't push kung gusto mo mag-breastfeeding or gusto mong mag-pump. Whatever you think na mas best sa'yo at sa family nyo, dynamic nyo, you do it, right?
Yeah.
And then we also do potty training and CPR services, both virtual and in person.
Mm.
Wow, ang
So,
galing,
yeah.
no?
So,
Exciting yung ginagawa ni
Yeah.
Furby. And yun guys, sa mga nanonood dyan, if you, ako aminado ako nung time na yun na nagkaroon ako ng baby, di ba? 2 na yung baby namin. 3, yung start na yun as in, ang hirap.
Yeah.
Ang hirap nun, kasi parang umulit kami. Si
Mhm.
Judge, ako, ang hirap
Yeah.
nung time na yun. Kasi wala din akong
Family.
kamag-anak dito eh. So, it's yung ginagawa ni Furby, malaking tulong siya sa lahat ng parents.
Isang avenue ng support system mo dito sa US kasi
Yeah.
you're focusing like especially sa mga katulad natin na like malayo minsan sa family
Sa
or
family.
friends na hindi pa nga nakakapag-build ng ano. So, meron silang support system na tulad niyan na they just need to be like knowledgeable sa mga ganyang help. Kasi yung iba na tatakot mag-approach sa mga ganyan or kasi hindi sila knowledgeable kung ano yung ginagawa talaga ng mga branch out na support system na ganyan. Yeah.
Galing
So, yeah.
naman.
So nung nag-start ka na as like mama coach, like ano yung parang naging parang difference na like naging parang happy ka pa or satisfied ka pa sa ginagawa
Anong
mo?
pakiramdam?
Or parang ganun. So anong feeling nung ginagawa mo na siya for 2 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really nice to give parents the gift of sleep and then confidence so that they can show up as best parents. Because sometimes pag masyado ka nang exhausted at hindi mo na alam na, na-try ko na to, right? Like feeling mo na-try mo na lahat. And they come to us like talagang wits ends na. Like mostly is like mga tipong madaling araw yung mga intakes na nakukuha. Kasi na rough yung night, right?
Yeah.
So, when that time comes, we do intake form with the patients, with the clients, and then interview muna kung anong pinaka-struggle nila. And it's really rewarding kasi usually talaga kung sleep clients, yung mga nakukuha ko, like the last one that I work with, she has a 4-month-old baby. First time mom din siya. And then the baby only sleeps 30 minutes every nap.
Oh, wow.
And then multiple times nagigising yung baby at night. And then sabi niya, pagod na talaga siya. So, do you think you can help me? So, I'll do the assessment and kung anong schedule nila, what is not working, what is working. Then I tell her, I think we should do this. And then now the baby is sleeping through the night, 12 hours. And then during the nap, 2 hours. So, we do 2 weeks sleep support sa Mama Coach. So, day in, day out, we're talking about what's happening. What's not working. And that the moms and the parents are really, really thankful na, sana hinar kita na dati.
Dati pa.
Una pa lang, no?
Yeah, so that's like yung best feeling na when someone appreciate you na parang, 'di ba? Nasa satisfy. Saka like yung mga nurses talagang problem solver talaga. Kasi yes, like parang din yung satisfaction mo as a nurse, kumbaga parang pag na-resolve yung problem ng isang tao or yung situation. Yeah.
So parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam, no?
Yung iba naman, let's say, pag feeding client, pag breastfeeding, like kunwari, hindi masyadong madaming supply, ganito, then I'll ask kung ano yung mga nangyayari, kung anong assessment natin. Because as a registered nurse, yan talagang natin, assessment talagang number 1 natin, right? So, now, yung mom really is like, I'm still breastfeeding after a year because of you. Yan. Tapos minsan, mag-start solid na yung mga baby. You know, like choking hazards, di ba? Hindi nila alam
Yeah.
kung ano. So, we do starting solids, kung ano yung mga safe, ano yung hindi safe, right? And then, combo namin ng CPR para if ever something happens,
Yeah.
we
Always.
do CPR. Hopefully, lagi kong sinasabi, hopefully, sana hindi natin hindi mo magamit. But then, here it is, you feel confident starting this journey. Kasi nakakatakot naman talaga.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So yung pag nag-ano sila ng CPR, like nag-teach kayo ng CPR sa kanila, they will get certificate then something like that pagka
No,
or just coaching.
Some of the other mama coach have certified na mag-certificate. Yung ako hindi pa. So madami pa akong mga kailangang trabahuhin when it comes sa pag lumaki na yung mga bata.
Yeah, pero yung CPR na di ba nag-take ka ng BLS. So hindi counted yun as like parang certification.
No, yung sa amin hindi.
It's a different one. So separate, parang mas
Education talaga siya.
kids. Oh, nice.
Do you enroll it? I mean, mag-enroll ka ba nun sa isang Furby or dyan lang sa program nyo? Meron kang parang
mag-ano ng CPR certification.
Certification yung mga yun. Nag-a-apply ka pa ba? I mean, ano mo ba siya dun sa program itself or pupunta ka pa ba sa mga institution para maging certified ka dun sa CPR?
Kasama na siya doon sa program.
The program, okay.
Kasama na siya. Then, other mama coaches just take another step para kasi ang lagi kasing tanong, di ba, kung pwede ka bang mag-certify, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, some other mama coaches do another class para makapag-certify sila.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah.
Amazing. Ang galing-galing naman. Nakakatuwa na na may ganitong branch ng nursing. And if very rewarding nga as a nurse na kapag nakakatulong ka especially sa mga parents. Lalo na ako, mama ko, malaking bagay yung ginagawa ni Furby sa lahat ng mga parents talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi naramdaman natin yung hirap and yung tulong mo sobrang iba, 'di ba? Ibang-iba.
And I always tell the parents too na I've been there from where you were.
Totoo.
Yeah. Like,
and then
I've been sleep deprived before.
Yun yung like parang may experience ka na gano'n. So alam mo yung ginagawa mo. So like, alam mo yung like their situation. So yung malaking tulong din na parang tulong mo sa assessment mo na rin.
Yeah, and I always tell the clients too na I'm one of the sleep consultants because a lot of people think about sleep training is like yung papaiyakin mo lang yung baby para matuto, right? Yeah. I always tell my clients I am one of the sleep consultants that are scared of crying because even my own kid, pag umiyak, nakatayo agad ako. Ako yung kabaliktaran nung sinasabi nila na pinapaiyak lang. Ako naman, konting ingay lang, nandun na ako agad. Yeah, so naiintindihan ko talaga yung when it comes to like anxiety kasi like syempre ayaw nating paiyakin sila. We have to make sure na they're not in pain, they're not hungry, they're dry sa diaper nila. So like yung sleep training, like I can tell if the mom have anxiety kung kaya niya or hindi. Pag feeling ko kaya niya is like okay, parang masyado ata yung anxiety. Okay, we're gonna step back. Like, let's try this. So, that's the nice part of coaching. Kasi you can always, now in the internet, I always tell clients, you can see lahat ng tinuturo namin in the internet.
Yeah.
It's out there, right? But with coaching, imbes na bumili ka lang ng free guide, you have a real person supporting you until ma-achieve mo yung goal. You're not just like, nagbili ka ng guide, may ebook ka, babasahin mo, di ba?
Yeah, totoo. So,
and then hindi siya personalized. Kasi iba-iba naman yung iba-iba yung schedule, iba-iba yung dynamic ng mga family. So this time, pag sinabi ng parent na, usually, hindi ko alam kung nabasa nyo na din yun. Ang sinasabi nila, ang pinaka magandang bedtime for babies is 7 p.m., right? Kasi yun daw ang pinaka maganda. Sabihin ng parents like, ikauuwi lang ng asawa ko ng 6 p.m., ibababa ko na yung baby.
Tutulog na agad.
Tutulog na.
So, when that time comes, we will redo the
Yeah.
schedule.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung gusto mo, anong tingin mo, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., okay, we'll start on that
Based
time.
on parang ikaw din yung parang tutulungan mo sila based on what
Yung needs
current
talaga.
current
Yeah.
situation nila, yung needs nila.
Kasi yan ang kagandahan sa coaching eh. Yung like yung you have a coach na something na parang
Oo.
yung makakapag-adjust sa schedule mo na like yung
Nandyan.
especially makakapag-motivate sa'yo na you can do this
Yes.
na so
One-on-one
get a
talaga.
plan, can create a plan for you. And then yung someone to talk to kasi minsan nag-vent out din sila sa mga ganyan.
Yes.
Diba? Totoo.
Yes.
So maraming din
It's like,
mga mother na yung parang ano ba yung 'di ba sobrang pagod na 'di ba? So nandiyan ka din to listen 'di ba to them.
Di naman sila pwedeng kumausap sa sa book na parang mag-vent out. Sometimes actually sometimes nga yung parang pagka nagbabasa ka ng instruction or something sa book. Minsan may mga question ka rin sa na you can ask it dun sa book.
Hindi mo pwedeng ito.
So
And then
nakaka-stress.
ni Mama Coach, si
Yeah.
Furby para
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun guys, if you're interested, then
Again,
we'll post dun sa description din yung
Yeah.
website ni Furby
Yeah.
para din yung mga gustong
Mga RN na
mga
gusto
RN,
maging mama coach
Mama Coach
or
and
it's like
also
yung mga
yung
importante mga
parents din na talagang in need of help like the
mm.
Mama Coach ni
Yeah.
Furby, diba?
Especially kasi yung channel namin like focusing sa mga parang mga nurses na gusto mag-migrate dito and so yung mga wala pa then alam nyo na kung anong pwede nyong gawin kung may mga baby kayo or pregnant yung mga nandito na nag-a-adjust pa din you can contact Furby para sa sa mga ibang question and for sure matutulungan kayo ni Furby.
Thank you.
Alright, so sabi sa'yo Furby, tingnan mo, mag-isang oras na tayo. So, kwentuhan, di ba? Sabi, so, ito yung nagustuhan din namin, like, yung kwentuhan. Saka new information na masishare namin sa channel namin or like, sa iba na, for sure, somewhere out there may parents dyan or mom dyan na really needs your help and they can contact you.
Yes.
Ayan.
And yun. So, Furby, before tayo, alam ko, sabi ko, maikli lang pero sarap talaga na usapan natin. Diba? Pero, yan, last words lang, Furby. Like, any, coming from the Mama Coach, and yun, as a nurse then, based on your experience here, as a nurse here sa Amerika.
One piece of advice.
One piece of advice. Or kahit marami. Yung gusto mong ma-share sa lahat, di ba?
Ako, ang ma-share ko sa mga nurses na mga gustong mag-migrate dito sa US is keep your eye on the goal. As long as you have a goal, dapat clear yung goal mo, dedicated ka, disciplined ka how to do it. Like, you have to be very resilient when it comes kung gusto niya talagang mag-move dito sa US. Like, it's a different rewarding job to be a nurse here in the US, but it will not happen if you don't take the first step out of your comfort zone. And we promise you guys it's gonna be rewarding and what's nice is talagang pwede nyong isama yung family nyo dito and you guys can have work-life balance and achieve the American dream.
Yes, totoo. Yun nga yung sinasabi din namin sa namin na tingnan nyo, mga katulad ni Furby, same experience na huwag kayong matakot na pumunta dito sa US. Kaya ka tayo nag-nursing actually, di ba? Sabihin na natin it's like pumasok sa isip natin nung nag-nursing tayo is we're gonna somewhere like we're gonna go to the US and become a US Army. And yun nga, sa mga hindi pa huli lahat, just take the NCLEX, right? Focus
Yeah, take the NCLEX, focus, review, and you will get there.
Yes, yep. Again, thank you, Furby, ha?
Furby.
Yan, may mga gusto ka bang i-shoutout?
Yeah,
Pagpunta nyo na lang ng Michigan, visit nyo kami.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Ako naman.
Nabiyahe ko na yan dyan eh. Yeah, we will go there pagka i-message ka namin. And then sama namin kayo sa travel vlog.
Yeah, para ma-meet naman namin si Nico at saka yung mga
Mga kids, yeah.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Ayan.
Thank
Thank you so much,
Furby.
Furby.
Thank you.
Sa lahat ng mga shinare mo sa ating mga viewers at sa mga nurses out there. Thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.